My name is Jason Newman. I'm able to walk again for a long distance. I was walking and I was already feeling pain. It was to the point where it hurt just to get up and walk to the bathroom, and it was excruciating. My mother, she had her knees done here at Medical City Las Colinas. She basically said, "This is where I need to go."
When Jason came in, he had really advanced arthritis of both of his knees. He was bone on bone, I believe on the inside compartment. There was just no cartilage left under the kneecap. Since we have the robot here, we're doing all of our primary knees with the robot. We map out the patient's knee with the robot during surgery, intra-op. We're causing less trauma to the knee and we're putting in a more balanced knee.
I had my first knee done 3 months ago. And then I went to my month visit for my right knee. And then I had my left knee done 2 weeks later. He basically told me that this was a better procedure. It was a lot less invasive.
They're getting a more balanced knee. They're gonna have a better recovery. They're gonna have less trauma to their knee, less bleeding. And they're just gonna have a knee that's gonna last them longer and feel better.
Now I'm able to ride my bike. No issue, no pain, no stiffness. Walking is amazing. I can actually walk straight. I'm not walking like a penguin. Medical City Las Colinas, amazing. The staff is amazing. The hospital is just, they are so attentive, very professional. This is an amazing hospital, Medical City of Las Colinas. I would tell anyone to come here. I'm able to actually do a lot more things than I was doing. It's basically gotten my life back.